I'll guide you through saving instant money on everyday purchases using Cash App Boosts without needing any complicated coupons or sign-up forms. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Cash App Boosts are instant discounts tied to your cash card, offering real money back at places you already frequent. The single most important requirement is having an activated cash card, which you can order for free in the app if you haven't already. Here's the step-by-step process. Open the Cash App and tap the cash card icon at the bottom. Scroll down to the Boost section to see available offers. Tap on the boost you want and hit Add Boost to activate and apply the discount to your next purchase. Swap your active boost instantly if your destination or purchase changes. This is critical because you can only have one boost active at a time, so you must match the discount to the store you are physically at. You can use your physical or virtual cash card at eligible merchants to automatically apply the instant savings at checkout. In the bottom right corner, tap the small clock icon to open your activity tab where you can verify that the free money was successfully credited. To maximize your savings, plan your purchases around the active boosts. You can stack boosts with existing store sales for double the savings. Be sure to monitor the rotation daily to catch the best limited time offers. Beyond Cash App savings, you can also share your referral code with friends to get a cash bonus when they complete a qualifying transaction for guaranteed cash. And for a chance at big prizes, follow Cash App's official social media for hashtag Cash App Friday giveaways. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for more digital payments video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.